Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been looking for an easier way to create viral TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, tracking product ads, or even client videos without showing your face, then today's review might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Because in this video, we are taking a deep dive into OTalker AI. This is a brand new AI platform that claims it can turn any image, product, food item, mascot, toy, vehicle, or object into a realistic talking video with human like lip sync, AI voice, animation, caption, and more, all in less than 60 seconds. Sound impressive. But does it actually work? Is it worth your money? And more importantly, can it help content creators, marketers, agencies, and freelancers create video faster and potentially generate income with AI? Let's find out. OTalker AI is an all-in-one AI video creation platform designed specifically for creating talking objects videos. Instead of recording yourself on camera, hiring actors, paying voiceover artists, or spending hours editing videos, Talking AI automated the entire process. Here's how it works. Your simple upload an image or choose a template and your script or idea, select a voice, click generate, and OTalker AI creates a complete talking video for you. That means a burger can talk, a house can talk, a product can talk, a company mascot can talk. Even multiple objects can have conversation with each others. Everything is powered by AI, no technical skill required, no editing experience needed, no expensive software subscriptions. This is the feature that immediately grabbed my attention. You can literally upload a photo of almost anything and transform it into a realistic talking videos. Products, foods, car, real estate listing, mascot, toys, and much more. The AI automatically handle facial movement, mouth synchronization, expression, and animations. The result looks surprisingly professional considering how quick it's generated. Another hug advantage is the built-in voice technology. OTalker AI comes with over 200 AI voices, different accents, different emotions, different speaking styles. Whether you want to professional sales presentation, a funny social media clips, or storytelling videos, there are plenty of voice options available. The best part, you don't need a higher voice over actors anymore. This feature alone could be a game changer for my users. Instead of creating content for only one audience, you can publish videos in more than 50 languages. Imagine creating one video and instantly reaching audience in Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, and many others markets for agency and marketers. That's a massive opportunity. Most AI video tools only animated one characters. OTalker AI goes further. You can create conversation between multiple objects. Imagine a burger debating with a pizza, a car talking to its owner, a product explaining why it's better than the competition. These type of videos are highly engaging and can perform extremely well on social media platforms. One thing many people struggle with is coming up with ideas. OTalker AI helps solve that problem by generating a script automatically. The AI can create video script, ad copy, hooks, caption, call to action, and viral content ideas. This save a tremendous amount. This save a tremendous amount of time. In my opinion, OTalker AI is idea for affiliate marketers, content creators, TikTok marketers, YouTube Shorts creators, social media agencies, freelancers, e-commerce store owners, local business, real estate marketers, coach and consultants. Basically, if you need attention-grabbing video content, this software could be extremely useful. After reviewing everything, here are my favorite thing. First, it's beginner friendly. Second is eliminate the need for multiple expensive tools. Third is include commercial rights. Fourth, it support multiple language. Fifth, it it dramatically reduce video production times. Instead of spending hours creating videos, you can potentially create multiple video in minutes. And any downside, to keep this review honest, there are a few things worth mention. No software can guarantee income. Your success will still depend on your activities, consistency, marketing strategy, and ability to attract an audience or clients. The software provides the tools, you still have to put them to work. But as far as video creating goes, OTalker AI appears to remove many of the biggest barriers that usually stop people from creating content consistently. Now, before I give you my final verdict, I want to mention something important. If you decide to pick a OTalker A through the special link in the description below, you will also receive my exclusive bonuses package completely free. These bonuses are already waiting inside the member area and can help you create even more content and grow your online business faster. Bonuses 1. Tune Magic AI. Create AI generated song, music tracks, voiceovers, lyrics, and music enhanced videos from simple prompt. Bonuses 2. Avatars AI. Build unlimited AI avatar video with access to thousands of professional templates. Bonus 3. Toonbook AI. Create engaging cartoon books, children stories, educational content, and illustrated project in minutes. Bonus 4. Canvas AI. Design professional graphics, social media posts, thumbnails, marketing creatives, banners, and professional materials without hiring designers. These bonuses add an incredible value of complete OTalker AI perfectly. So if you instead of getting OTalker AI, make sure you use the link in the description to claim everything. So is OTalker AI worth it? For content creators, affiliate marketers, freelancers, agencies, e-commerce business, and anyone looking to create engaging AI video quickly, I think OTalker AI offer a very compelling solution. What I like most is that it combines multiple technology into one dashboard. Tagging videos, AI voice, animation, script generation, multi-language support, commercial rights, and it does all of that without requiring expensive monthly subscription. If creating engaging short form content is part of your business, OTalker AI definitely worth considering. And if you want to secure the launch discount plus all of my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description right now. Thanks for watching.